Shots fired. DJ Ducky in the house. Introducing the menacing Momo. Hey, let me tell you a little story about a girl whose videos make you wanna hurl. She says this is a show, but I gotta go. Ducky, no. Oh, you got a copyright strike from the Muppets, but it should have been an invite because you look like a puppet. Oscar and Proud, and you are twins. The length of your forehead is a sin. Your hair is always nappy. Your quality is crappy. Change Disney commercial. Try to make it controversial. You talk about your day, you don't even vlog. And when you actually did, it was 30 minutes long. You talk about My Little Pony. When you're how many years old? You thought your commercial and life with the cool kids was gold. Momo's on top of the world? Well, no one really cares. You started from the bottom and you're still where there. I'm in the TMI tag. Alexia was trying to bite you in that other video. I was trying to bite you. See them videos? Rollers in your hair. Looking like a potato, raising lips, spitting everywhere. About 2 years ago, you tried to make a tribute. 2014, you have nothing good to contribute. Midnight, Momo, you just needed to go to bed. Your channel was a joke, that's what your friend said. Oh, the running man sounds creepy as hell. Looking like a white guy trying to get out of a well. I roasted you all I could because you look burnt all on your own. I'ma drop the mic, but before I do, please just take this comb. Momo? Out! Squad! Where you at? Hey! The beat. When I said Momo, coming at you. Hey.
This is a great picture.
No, I can't even believe you got that. Now I'm gonna be roasted for that.
Yep.
It's recorded.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Hey.
Okay. Hey. I can put this in the bloopers or something. Can you wrap this for me?
I can't. I'm not rapping.